Today we have a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda. It has been restored fairly recently. It's in really good condition. It has European headlights, European bumpers. Engine was rebuilt, silver metallic, cognac interior, excellent shape. So stay tuned and we're going to take it for a ride. Here we go, nice cold start. Just pulled it out of the basement. Like I said, it was restored a few years ago, but has seen very limited use since then. It is in really nice condition inside and out, and it's got a new convertible top in black canvas. So as usual, we are going to let it get warmed up and hit the high roads, including some curvy ones and some highways and our drive-bys. Stay tuned and we'll be back to you as soon as it warms up. Here we are, car's all warmed up. We're going on a really fun, curvy, narrow road that really shows what the car can do. It's got nice elevation changes, nice turns. It's a little bit of a rock in the road, but the car avoids it nicely. We have, whoa, it's a big truck. Got pretty much all the features work. It blows cold AC, which is a nice little feature. We got a radio that works. It does work. We just had a channel. It doesn't get very many, but we'll get to it at some point. But it does work. Windshield wipers work. All the gauges seem to be reading correctly. So, it's a very nice cruising car. It's got nice acceleration, good braking, and classic style of a 280 SL Pagoda that pretty much still looks just as good today, if not better maybe, than it did when it was first introduced. Still got those classic lines, and it's a very desirable car. And this is a nice color combo for anybody in the market. The odometer reads about 28,000 miles, but my guess is it's probably 128,000 miles. But it's always been serviced and kept up. And like I said, the restoration a couple years ago pretty much went through the whole car, including the engine. And hasn't seen limited use since. Actually making it too cold in here right now, so should be good for the one summer. curvy road. Did you some drive-bys for you. Now I'll show you how it cruises on the highway, whether you're on Long Island, cruising through the Alps in Europe, Mediterranean. The car will do it for you. Absorbs the choppy roads here on Long Island pretty well. So if you can handle this, you can pretty much handle anything else it throws at you. But as you can see, the interior is been fully restored as well. New carpets, all the material on the dash, doors, put in place, clean, guide. Really nice shape. Cruises effortlessly down the road, and all the gauges still exactly where they should be.